My name is Mkiza Nkosinati and welcome to Let's Talk About Videos under my notes series. Now, this is a video I've been longing to do for a very long time, and today we are going to be talking about mathematics. So, this is a very fascinating subject for me. As we know, in these videos, the first question we are going to answer is, what is mathematics? So mathematics, in its most basic form, it is a study of numbers. Mathematics is a language that sciences uses to solve its problems and to analyze and come up with solutions. So mathematics is a very integral part of our lives because everything around us is measured, from the table, the wardrobe, the clothes that you are wearing. Everything that you see around you is quantified. And mathematics, we use mathematics actually to quantify everything around us. Is it small? If you look at the t-shirt I'm wearing, is it small, is it medium? We use mathematics to measure. So basically, mathematics is one of the most basic forms and most basic methods that we have in our universe. Now the second question that we're gonna ask is, why do we do mathematics? What is the point? And most people usually ask, where am I gonna use mathematics, because I don't see any use for it. Well, look at this. Mathematics, if you want to study anything, you first have to start in the most simplest form. And now, what is happening is that in a schooling environment, mathematics is very useful. If you look at engineering and if you look at other applied sciences, they use mathematics. But that mathematics that they use there is very much complicated. If you talk about Laplace transforms, if you talk about Fourier series, those are mathematics of a higher order. And in order for you to actually understand the mathematics that you're going to use in real life, you first have to go through the process of knowing the simple math. Just like a doctor can just start by trying to help a sick person, but they have to first understand the basic things, the fundamentals of medicine. So mathematics is a language like that. Another reason why we do mathematics is to see if we can do mathematics and if we like it. And this is the reason that most people do not appreciate. So if you do mathematics and you feel like, you've been trying all your best and you've been putting effort but it's not working, then that means mathematics is not really your field. And there's nothing wrong about that. That's what makes life beautiful, that we are unique, we are different, and we are talented in different streams, and we need to embrace those talents that we have. So that is the point of doing mathematics, to understand ourselves and to understand the world around us, and to also understand that even if it's difficult to actually quantify things around us, but it is really possible to quantify most of the things in this world that we're living in. Now, the last question that we usually ask is, what is the subliminal meaning? What is the underlying meaning around doing mathematics? And the underlying meaning that mathematics teaches us is that every problem has a solution. So if you look at your life and the problems that you might be experiencing, you need to remember that there will always be a solution to that problem. Now, what mathematics goes on to teach us is that every problem is different from another, and also the degree of difficulty in problems is different. So therefore, we need to approach problems differently in order to reach a reasonable solution. And to close this video, I'd like to close with a quote that I believe Einstein realized after he has been doing a lot of mathematics, and that is, a problem can never be solved by the same level of thinking that created it. So if you are facing a problem in your life and in any way, you need to realize that you need to think at a higher level, or even perhaps a lower level, in order to solve that problem. Thank you.